Hook Midnight to 015. Did you know that 75% of AI models are too powerful to be released to the public? That's crazy, right? This raises questions. What are these models? Why so powerful? Let's dive in. Setup 015 to 1 o'clock. We're living in an AI revolution. News just broke. Anthropic says newest AI model is too powerful to release to public. This got me thinking. What other models are out there? What can they do? Let's explore some AI models that are changing the game. Claude 1 to 230. Claude is an AI model. It processes 100,000 tokens per second. Imagine you need to generate content. Instead of 2 hours, Claude does it in 10 minutes. That's 12 times faster. It's free or $100 per month. Entrepreneurs need this. It saves time. It boosts productivity. Claude is a game changer. It's available now. You can try it. Anthropic's Mythos 230 to 4 o'clock. Anthropic's Mythos is another model. It was developed with safety and security in mind. Imagine you need to analyze data. Instead of 5 hours, Mythos does it in 30 minutes. That's 10 times faster. It costs $500 per month. Businesses need this. It provides insights. It helps with decision making. Mythos is powerful. It's not for public release. That's how powerful it is. Chat 4 to 530. ChatGPT is a popular model. It's powered by GPT-4 architecture. Imagine you need to write a report. Instead of 3 hours, ChatGPT does it in 15 minutes. That's 12 times faster. It offers a free trial. Students need this. It helps with research. It assists with writing. ChatGPT is amazing. It's available now. You can try it. Notion 530 to 630. Notion is a productivity tool. It's used by over 20 million users. Imagine you need to organize tasks. Instead of 2 hours, Notion does it in 10 minutes. That's 12 times faster. It costs $10 per month. Professionals need this. It boosts productivity. It helps with management. Notion is essential. It's a must-have. You need to try it. Canva 630 to 730. Canva is a design tool. It offers over 50,000 templates. Imagine you need to create a presentation. Instead of 5 hours, Canva does it in 30 minutes. That's 10 times faster. It's free. Anyone can use it. It's perfect for beginners. It's great for pros. Canva is awesome.